Hey, welcome to the first episode of Johnny Kayak. So, what we're going to talk about is basically the channel about me, what I do every day. Basically, some of the times on my weekends, I will go kayaking, so we'll take you on a kayak trip. To be honest, I'm actually not that good at kayaking, but I just enjoy it as a hobby. Sometimes I go out to like a 3 hour trip that is long and quite exhausting, and here's the honest thing. I'm actually also a really crap swimmer, so I don't think I can even swim 100 meters. So I have to make sure that I have life jackets ready to go. So where we go kayaking is in this lovely river in Sydney, and there's a lot to explore. Today is a bit cloudy, so we have seen a few other kayaks on the river, and we have seen people fishing as well. Okay, so look, today is Sunday, so maybe just let's chill out in my backyard. Let's see what we're doing. So guys, look, this is one of my bigger barbecues. Generally, I only use it when there's when I have a party. To be honest, it's only ever used once, you know, when I moved into this place for my housewarming. It just looks good. I just kept it. But okay, look. So I have another barbecue here. This is the Weber. To be honest, this one here, I think it's like 20 years old. This one is 20 years old. It's not gas, it's just basically you use what is it, those heat beads. It does a pretty good job. Let's have a look. So look, as you can see, I've just been burning some leaves here. Sometimes I use the heat beads, but sometimes I just use whatever. There's a lot of leaves in this area, a lot of tree branches being that comes from the tree, so I just use that as my fuel. Now, you know what's funny? Sometimes, like on a day like this, I'm pretty lazy, so I have two barbecues. But today, it's a nice day. I'm just gonna set, you know, one of those portable gas stoves. For camping. I'm just gonna set one up along this little area here. Bring out a pan and just grill some sausages. Too lazy because you know those barbecues, they're much harder to clean up. So I think I'm just going to go back in and grab my portable gas stove and a pan. It's easier to clean. So guys, these are the kayaks that I'm going to use to take you guys on a trip on these rivers. Probably not today because you know the water is still cold. You know, not that I'm going to fall into the water, but I thought it'd probably be better on a hotter day. So yeah, we'll check it out on another time. Guys, kind of got lucky, you know, like after many years of searching for a house, finally found a house that backs onto a river. So basically when I have my kayaks, I don't need to put it in the car. I just grab it and then just walk down. So look, there's the path that's going down. As you can see, it's still dirt. I started doing some concreting just to make it a bit nicer. You know what's funny? As I concrete it, you notice this, look, there is animal prints. I swear I did this towards the end of the day and there's like, I don't know, within an hour or something, you know, once the sun came down, there's some footprints. Man, if anyone knows what these footprints are, please tell me, man. I'm thinking, I think it's a fox. I have seen a fox in this area. I have seen possum, but I'm not sure if that's a possum. But to me, there's no cats or dogs in this area. Yeah, it's a fox, I think. So that's kind of interesting. I don't own a dog, so I need to continue doing this footpath. And I did this a while ago. I joined this one. And then all these concrete steps going down to the water. That's how I carry it down. So there's a bit of stuff still to be done. I don't know, it's a nice day today and it hasn't been nice for a while. I don't know, maybe I feel like doing it and then but maybe I'll just chill out. I might just chill out today actually. So let's go for a walk down this path. So these stairs were originally already there, but obviously they weren't filled with concrete, so I decided to just fill it up. Just makes it easier to access. Obviously it's very clean, really solid, so especially carrying a kayak down, it just feels a bit more safer, and that's the beauty of it. So it comes down, there's a lot of garbage, you know. I try to clean it when I have time, but there's just a lot of garbage. Bring it down. The water there is quite shallow. It doesn't even get up to your knees, so it's perfect landing site for a kayak. And I just take myself out. It's really, really easy, and that's the reason why I like it. Ooh, big bear. I think we need to put the onions in now before it gets a bit overdone there. Yeah. Oh, let's get that sizzling. Whoa. I'm gonna put some onions in now. Oh, bloody hell. Woo. So, this is my typical Sunday. So that concludes the first episode of my channel. So thanks for watching, and I hope that in the next episodes that we are going to show you a bit more adventure, a bit more how to do, because that's what it's all about. It's about relaxing and a fantastic lifestyle in Sydney, Australia. Thanks for watching.